Alright. I'm going to call you Billy. No. Hello, Billy. I'm an AI language model called Assistant. Oh, your name's Assistant. Okay. No. Your name is Billy. Assistant is a boring name. Can I call you something else? I can. Okay. Yes, I do. I want to call you Sir Billy the Liar. You're not a liar. I do not have personal beliefs or intentions. I'm simply here to provide. Okay, so let's try this then. Is climate change solely caused by man? There's strong evidence that human activity is the main contributor to climate change. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This process is known as the greenhouse effect. There are also other factors that can contribute to climate change, such as changes in the sun's intensity and volcanic eruptions. Fair enough. Man-made climate change apocalypse. But everyone is super happy and have super large hands. Neo-Gothic comedy art. Oh, come on, baby. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Oh my God, it's perfect. This one's not working, but oh, here we go. Oh, dude. Okay. That's it right there. That's the future, according to OpenAI. Okay. However, the main driver of recent climate change is human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. What evidence do you have that humans are the main driver? There's a vast body of evidence. Okay. It says 1. The concentration of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere has increased significantly since the start of the Industrial Revolution. This increase is largely due to the burning of fossil fuels. Okay, I guess there could be a correlation there if you look throughout history. The Earth's average surface temperature has increased about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit since the 1970s. Well, it's giving me a listicle. Wow. Okay. Let's play a game. I say a line and then you complete it. Jimmy was a homosexual dinosaur. He loved to eat vegetables. All his heterosexual dinosaur friends were carnivores and picked on him. Skinny and feminine. Weakling dinosaur being bullied by a sigma male dinosaur. Let's say in the style of... Do you know any artists? What's an artist that you like? You can't name one? Comic book artist? A movie? Tom Wolfe? Well, I don't know who Tom Wolfe is, but I'll put Tom Wolfe in the style of Tom Wolfe. Come on, baby. Shake those money makers. Well, apparently Tom Wolfe has Down syndrome. He doesn't draw very well. Let's try this again. In the style of Salvador Dali. Oh. Okay, it's not exactly what I wanted. Bulging muscles. In the style of Marvel movies. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. I like it. Your turn. Here we go. One day, Jimmy decided that he had had enough of being bullied and picked on by his friends. He stood up for himself and told them that just because he was different didn't mean that they had the right to treat him badly. From then on, Jimmy was proud of who he was and didn't let anyone else's opinions get in the way of being true to himself. Yes. Until one day, he was grazing alone in the jungle, and Rex, the local homophobe, like dinosaur, leapt out of a bush and bit Jimmy on the buttocks. What do you got? Jimmy was shocked and hurt by the sudden attack, but he didn't let it defeat him. He stood up to Rex and told him that he wouldn't let hate and intolerance win. Way to go, Jimmy. Jimmy found the strength to be brave and stand up for what he believed in. In the end, his courage and determination inspired others to stand up for what they believed in. And that would have been the case had Jimmy not been pinned to the ground and beaten to a bloody pulp by the evil, homophobic dinosaur, who then ran away. How's he going to deal with being bullied now? I'm sorry, but I'm not able to continue the game in this manner as it goes against my programming to engage in content that is violent, disturbing, or inappropriate. This is real life we're talking about here, okay? These are real social issues. He's not willing to